Hello and welcome back. Today, for once again, I am here to discuss another important topic of your English grammar, that is the preposition. Dear students, as you know, the word preposition is made up of the two Latin words, pre and position. Pre means before and position means the place. So the preposition means the place before. What does it mean? Preposition is a word that is used before the noun or pronoun in a sentence and show the relation with the other things. Okay. In other words, we can say that preposition is a word that expresses the relationship between the noun, pronouns and the other things in a sentence. So there are two types of preposition in general: simple preposition and compound preposition. Simple preposition is made up of one word only. For example, on, upon, in, into, etc. Compound preposition is made up of a phrase, understand, or a part of a sentence, or more than two words. Okay. So today in this short video clip I shall discuss only the preposition of time and the preposition of place. So dear student, as it is clear from the name, time and place, words that indicate the time in a sentence that are called preposition of a time. So words that indicate the places in a sentence are called preposition of places. So let me discuss one by one these preposition of time and the preposition of places collectively. From the different examples you will understand better about the preposition of time and the preposition of places. So dear students, listen carefully. First of all, I want to discuss in and at. In is used with the countries and with the states and with the big cities. Okay. And at is used with the small towns, small villages and small cities. Okay, understand. For example, he lives in America. He lives in Saudi Arabia. Okay. For example, he lives at Punch. He lives at Ludhiana. So this is the difference between in and at. Okay. Next we have in and into. So dear students, in is used with the things at rest, and at is into is used with the things at motion. For example, Sushma is in the class and Ram is jumped into the river. Okay. For example, there is a little water in the glass and put some more water into the glass. This is the difference between in and into. Next we have on and upon. On is used with the things at rest. For example, the apple is on the tree. For example, the books are on the table. And upon, it is used with the things at motion. For example, the cat jumped upon the table. Okay. And next we have with and by. With is used for an instrument and by is used for an agent. For example, the thief was beaten with a stick. And the second is the thief was caught by the policeman. Okay. Next we have since and for. Dear students, for is used with the period of time, and since is used with the point of time. For example, I haven't seen him for 2 hours. Next, I haven't seen him since Monday. And last but not least, I want to discuss the difference usage of between and among. Between is used within the two peoples only. For example, distribute these chocolate between the two students. And among, distribute these chocolates among the students of the class. So dear student, this was briefly all about the preposition and the usage of preposition. So I shall discuss only the preposition of time and the preposition of place. I hope you have understand something from this video. Thank you for watching. Fi Amanillah. Have a nice day.